some food.
First was the $40 passengers. Please take your assigned seats now with your seatbelt fastened and your cell phones in airplane or flight mode.
That's all. I look like shit, I know. I just... And monkey was mad. Apparently, I hit my head really hard in the pool yesterday. Like, it's like that this, like... I don't feel it, but that monkey damage me. Like, on the boat cruise, I lose my flip-flop and the sunscreen and all. That was not even the worst. Like, the next day, I fucking break my phone in the pool. Like yesterday, I break my fucking head in the pool. So, bad experiences with pools, I guess. I just hope I get in time, in Cebu in time, to catch the other flight to Siargao, but I don't think I will. Good morning. Skip another day. Flew to Cebu yesterday. We left at like 5 in the morning. I was still drunk till like 12. Fuck yeah, Mad Monkey has been insane. Anyway, I flew to Cebu. They said the flight the other guys had was full. It turned out it had like 5 people on it. And the flight I had to take after that had 12 people on it. So it's kind of fucked there. Missed my flight to Siargao. And this is not the place I feel comfortable in, so I decided to change my entire planning, and I changed my flight, which I was supposed to have like beginning of next month. I changed that one to tomorrow. So one more night, gonna stay in a decent hotel, try to get some decent food because that's the worst. Like they cannot cook for shit. I can't handle another 3 weeks of shitty food, so I feel like I'm gonna die already. Well, here we are again, in the hotel. I just had to get a hotel room for the last night because this is my room. I still have to use this phone for now because it looks so small on this camera. It said it had a wide angle. It doesn't. It doesn't. Anyway, this is the room, and I have city view. But check out my city view. Well, I can't see the city. They didn't lie, so. Oh, nice. Well, anyway, I was able to check in at like 10. That was nice. And for now, I'm just gonna get me some food, some breakfast. Probably like 20 meters down at McDonald's. This is my shower. I am gonna enjoy this because the hostel I stayed at yesterday, it was disgusting. Just gonna get up to the pool, check it out, have some food, and get back down here because all I did was sort my files out. That was all. It took me over an hour. Anyway, on to the pool. This feels a lot better. Like they have a cool pool, like in here. Cheers. That was actually a good meal. Like it wasn't as tiny as it looked. I finished my drink and go back to working. Well, good morning. I have arrived at the airport. I had to check out, so why not just go here? First I tried working on my laptop, which didn't work out. I don't have a place to plug it in, so I found a fucking charger. I've been here for hours. It's the first one I found. Like, well, that's fine. Anyway, I can go check in now. I kinda, like, this is gonna be scarred. I kinda feel like I have a concussion after all because I've been fuzzy for like 2 or 3 days, and this cannot still be the hangover. It can't be the hangover anymore. Like it must be a concussion. So I hope this is over quite quickly because I feel so fuzzy right now. Well, it's been a long wait. It's still gonna be 1.5 hours, so I might as well get in one of these. My legs are getting squeezed here. I'm not sure why. Let's enjoy. I finally made it to Bangkok. It feels so good, man. Anyway, happy to be here. Just gonna go to the hotel quick because I am so tired right now. Okay, I made it to the hotel.
Well, this is what you get when you book a hotel in a hurry. You end up on Sukhumvit Road, like close to Nana Plaza. This is where a lot of the fucking ladyboys are at. So, well, one of them meowed at me in like a really heavy voice. So yeah, well, this is only one night here. First of all, in the morning I'm gonna get out and find me a decent hostel. I'm just gonna go to bed, end my night. I don't want to go outside anymore, get scared by more ladyboys. Like, well, anyway, good night. See you tomorrow morning.